How to install an outrigger. Step 1, measure up. Normally they're at 900, it'll show you on the plans. Take your 900, put a mark on it. Rightio. Step 2, this is probably the most important part. Because of the angle on the dog bone, take a 10, 16, 16 first, set your 900 up. Pre-drill, and take your 45, make sure it's flush to top. Set up your second one, again follow on, make sure your cords are smooth across the top. Second drill hole in. Right, and then stagger the stitch to finish. Alright, the important thing again, get your first one in as close as you can, and make sure they finish up plumb. That's it, how to install an outrigger.